We're Maggie and Brad, and we've been full-time RVing since 2016. Join us and our sidekick Paco as we explore incredible places in the US and beyond. Hey guys!
Hey guys!
We are back in the forest, and this week we are staying in Mapleton, Oregon.
Yeah, just around the corner, but kind of a long ways to get here, a long time to get here still. We are at Kentucky Falls Trail.
Yes, so it was about an hour from our campground. We are staying at Maple Lane RV Park, which is right on the Siuslaw. Kind of a small park near some train noise, but I think it should be a good stay, and it was one of the closest places we could be to come do this hike.
Yeah, it is worth it, but it's just up a long forest road that's bumpy and steep.
Yeah,
but,
super steep.
But we get to see a couple of waterfalls up here. So
three!
Yeah, three. Yeah, so it's going to be really incredible.
Yeah, we can't wait to share it with you guys.
I think we might have it to ourselves for a while.
Yeah.
We got to the parking lot and there was only one other person there, and going to be a while before they joined us on the trail. She was locked out of her van trying to get back in.
Yeah, we gave her a bunch of different tools to try. She seemed like she knew what she was doing.
Yeah, she seemed resourceful. She'll get it.
You can hear those falls. Oh, hey!
Oh, there it is. Upper Kentucky Falls.
Yeah. Ooh, I don't know what these are. Maybe a columbine. Wow.
Holy cow.
Oh. That is gorgeous. I feel like you should climb up onto those logs.
Okay.
What do you think of Upper Falls?
Oh, those were amazing. But holy cow, those rocks, everything over there was slick. The rocks, the wood, the logs, like you had to be super, super careful walking around, not to fall.
Yeah, be extra careful.
Wow, this is cool. There's two within view of each other.
Yeah.
I was not expecting that.
I don't know if you can see that one very well. There's that. Pretty small lot, maybe 8 cars, maybe 9 if someone's gonna squeeze. but there is a bathroom, well, a pit toilet. That was well worth all the crazy driving and road to get here.
Yep, absolutely. I just was blown away by the double waterfall at the end.
If you can come on a weekday, we would highly recommend that. And we got to the trailhead maybe around 11, and we had really good light on Upper Falls and on North Fork Falls. And then Lower Kentucky was just completely in the sun.
Yeah, and the way the sun hits it, you can even see a rainbow if you're looking at it right. So that's incredible.
Kentucky, yeah, just amazing. All right, on to the next adventure.
Yeah.
Which is driving out of here. So this road is seriously steep. I'm not sure what the grade is, but just be sure to use your engine brakes on the way down. When I visited this waterfall many years ago, I was not as familiar and I nearly burned out my brakes just braking the whole way down. So just something to keep in mind. All right, today we have driven over to Florence. We're gonna grab some lunch.
Yeah, at Los Compadres, and then we're gonna head down to the marina and eat it there along the water.
Yeah, there's this nice boardwalk, and then we're gonna head up the coast and find some fun stuff to do. Brad has never been to Devil's Churn, so I think we're for sure gonna stop there. It's a beautiful day for a drive regardless, and we'll find some fun places to stop.
Did you get wet?
You got me just a little. I was a little too close. We're still like 3 or 4 hours from high tide, so be aware.
Yeah.
There always.
It's Maggie's turn.
There is this really nice communal fire pit area that looks right over the Siuslaw River. Very peaceful down here. Oh, the water is so calm.
Yeah.
We might get out on that tomorrow. No reason not to, huh?
There's every reason to do it.
Yep. Ready?
Yep.
Well, today's adventure is hiking along Sweet Creek and enjoying the many little falls all along.
And at the end of the trail, Sweet Creek Falls.
That's right.
It turned out our RV park was only 11 miles from the trailhead, so we decided to bike it.
Yeah, those e-bikes are pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Wow, just came upon a gorgeous
waterfall.
Little spot.
This is really nice trail.
Yeah, kind of busy.
Yeah.
It's a mostly level, really easily accessible trail, so it's very popular. Hey, hey.
Come on. I got a dud.
What does that mean?
Didn't open.
Oh.
It's like it wasn't even perforated or something. I am pushing so hard. There we go.
There you go.
It broke. It broke the. It broke in a different place than the perforation. That's crazy.
The lengths we gotta go to sometimes.
Yeah.
Adventure number 2 for today. Sweet Creek Falls was fantastic. I think that ended up being about 20 miles round trip for the bike ride. And what was it for the hike? Just shy of 2 miles round trip. Yeah?
Yeah, just shy of 2 miles round trip. And I was impressed my 6-year-old bike battery was able to do the whole ride without crapping out.
Kind of barely. You were
Yeah.
squeaking by on 1 bar of power left. We weren't quite sure.
Yeah, it might be a good idea to replace that battery soon.
Yep. So this is Memorial Day weekend. Last weekend in May. I think we've got mid-70s, maybe upper 70s for weather, so we just couldn't resist getting out on this river. It's very mellow, but you do have to be aware of the tides, because at low tide, it gets extremely low. You might get stranded in the mud or something.
Yeah, so we've heard. We are out real close to high tide.
That's right, we're about 45 minutes to high tide. Hopefully this wind isn't too bad. It's kind of blowing.
That's Sweet Creek Road where we were biking earlier.
Yep, and that dock is the RV park. We're letting the wind and the current take us back.